In 1978, a computer programmer pulled off the biggest bank heist in history without touching a single dollar bill. Stanley Rifkin had a plan that seemed impossible. He was consulting for Security Pacific Bank when he noticed something. The wire transfer department used simple daily codes to move millions of dollars around the world, so he memorized them. The next day, Rifkin walked to a payphone and called the bank. He pretended to be an employee from the international department. Using those stolen codes, he transferred $10.2 million to a Swiss bank account. Then he flew to Switzerland and converted the money into diamonds. The perfect digital heist. No weapons, no masks, no vault. But Rifkin couldn't keep his mouth shut. He bragged to a lawyer friend about his genius plan. That friend turned him in to the FBI. Rifkin was arrested at JFK Airport with a bag full of stolen diamonds. The case changed banking security forever, all because one man couldn't resist telling his story.